Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya VM. In today's video, we have to discuss the NTSE 2019 Odisha paper with a proper analysis of the answers correctly. Next question is, who is the writer of Odia Bhagwat? So Odia Bhagwat has been written by Jagannath Das. Next question, what was the immediate cause of the First World War? The correct answer is murder of Francis Ferdinand. So you know that this is a story between two countries, Serbia and Austria. A terrorist organization of Serbia named Black Hand had hired some people to kill the Prince of Austria, who was Francis Ferdinand, the nephew of the king. And this terrorist organization Black Hand, they killed Francis Ferdinand one night. Austria gave a 48-hour ultimatum for Serbia to investigate and take action in this case, while Serbia did not take any action. Further, in colonies like Africa, Austria and Serbia did not have good relation because of the pig trade. Now, in the aftermath, Austria declared war on Serbia, and Germany, who was a close friend of Austria, joined Austria, while the other countries like France, UK joined Serbia, and that is how the World War I began. The next question is, when did Mayurbhanj merge with Odisha? So Mayurbhanj merged with Odisha on January 1st, 1949 after India became independent. Also, another question that you can just remember here is, Odisha was first a province of the Marathas, from which the control was given to the British. So under the British system, Odisha province was within the Bengal province. So Bengal not only comprised of Odisha, it also comprised of Bihar, Bangladesh, Assam and West Bengal. Finally, Odisha and Bihar were made a separate province in the year 1912. Then Odisha separated also from Bihar in the year 1936, 1st of April, which is celebrated as the Utkal Divas. Next question is, which village of Puri district is famous for the Patta painting? So Patta Chitra, as you know, Patta Chitra. So here the painting is made on a palm leaf, and covered by a cotton cloth. So when it is dried, a lot of colors are applied there, and gods, goddesses, their stories are made in this one. Another important thing is that Pattachitra has received the GI tag from Odisha. So this area where Pattachitra is very, very famous is called as Raghurajpur. So friends, I think you are liking this session and you are getting a lot of information. If you like this channel, do subscribe to this channel and share the videos with your friends. Next question, under whose leadership Khudai Khidmatgar was formed? So the correct answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is otherwise called as the Frontier Gandhi because he used to follow Gandhian movements in the frontier areas of India. The next question, who used the term Cold War for the first time? The correct answer is Bernard Baruch. Next question, which of the following hill ranges of India is different from the other three in terms of its origin as well as structure? So the correct answer is the Meso. Next question, which of the following sets of river valley projects in India is correctly arranged in north to south order? So they have given four such features, Koyna, Tungabhadra, Mettur and Periyar. So which are river valley projects? You have to arrange them from north to south order. The correct answer is first Koyna, then Tungabhadra, then Mettur, then Periyar. See, some of the questions will be a bit difficulty. So if you have practiced map thoroughly, then you can answer these all questions. If you have practiced the map thoroughly, the physical map, then you can answer all these questions. Our next question: which of the following soil is formed due to high temperature, high rainfall as well as high humidity? So the correct answer is lateritic soil. Next question is, which of the following pairs of places and the minerals extracted therein is incorrectly matched? So Kosamba for mineral oil, Khetri for copper, Musabani for manganese and Niveli for coal. So basically Kosamba and mineral oil is correct, Khetri and copper is correct, Niveli coal is correct, Musabani and manganese is false. Next question is, which of the following industries in India is ideally suited to the cooperative sector? So the correct answer is sugar. Sugar industries are generally formed with the help of cooperative sector, and the advantage of cooperative sector is that they can absorb the losses, the financial losses that can happen due to poor harvesting. Next question: what will be the temperature of a particular place at an altitude 2500 meter if the sea level temperature at the same area is 27 degrees Celsius? So what is actually asking is the vertical variation of temperature with respect to altitude. So how to do this? So we will use the normal lapse rate to calculate this particular thing. So what is the normal lapse rate? If we go up by 1 kilometer, the temperature reduces by 6.5 degrees Celsius, right? So our normal lapse rate is 6.5 degrees Celsius per 1 kilometer. So when we go for every 10 kilometer, there is a decrease of 65 degrees Celsius temperature, right? Now, so see here, it is asking for 2.5 kilometer variation, right? So we can take into 2.5, right? So this is 4 and this will be somewhat equals to 16.2 degrees Celsius decrease, right? So at the mean sea temperature, at the mean sea level, the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, and as and when we go up, the temperature will be reducing by 16 degrees Celsius. Now what is that? 27 minus 16, it will be approximately 11 degrees Celsius. The next question: which among the following place does not receive precipitation during winter? So it is asking during winter, that means it can be western disturbances, it can be the retreating monsoon. But which of the places will not receive rainfall during the winter? So the correct answer is Mangalore. Mangalore basically receives a lot of rainfall during the advancing monsoon, okay, right? Advancing monsoon. So in Karnataka, Kerala, advancing monsoon is also called as mango shower because the fruits of mangoes ripen because of this shower. Next question: the latitude as well as the longitudinal extent of the mainland India is approximately how much? So if we talk about the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent, this is the southern latitude 8 degree 4 minute north. If we talk about the mainland India, right, when it is asking the mainland India, then here 37 degree 6 minute north, 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. So when we calculate the difference, 37 and 6 minute minus 8 degree and 4 minute, we will get something approximate to 29 point something. And similarly 97 degree 25 minute and 68 degree 7 minute, it will also amount to 29 point something. So the correct answer is 29. However, the answer key, it was mentioned as 30. So this was a confusing question altogether.